3 Popeley Court is a custom home. Renovated, updated and move-in ready, offering 3,926 square feet of living space. The traditional colonial entry is bright and welcoming. If you flow to the left of the entry, you will find the breakfast nook and chef's kitchen. The stairway leads you to the second floor with 3 of the 4 bedrooms. To the right of the entry is the flow into the formal dining room. The traditional formal dining room will host many special occasions. The room is filled with impressive trim work, wainscot, and open connection to the family room. The family room welcomes you with a wall of windows looking out into the lush backyard. The windows bring the outside in. The fireplace, built-in cabinets, and the coffered ceiling with lovely trim work create a traditional, cozy feel. The family room flows into the kitchen. The home chef will appreciate this custom kitchen. Beautiful Cheri cabinetry offers abundant storage. The adjacent breakfast nook with fireplace is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or to relax with a book. This kitchen offers plenty of counter space and the home chef will appreciate the gas cooktop. Guests are encouraged to head out to the backyard. Easy access means smooth entertaining. This patio has been designed for entertaining. The wall of windows connects the family room to the backyard. The backyard offers multiple entertaining zones. The stone fireplace extends your time outdoors well into the cooler months. The lush landscape offers some peace and serenity. The main floor also offers a custom laundry room that includes a deep sink, folding counter, and plenty of storage. Nearby is a full bath, easily accessible to guests on the first floor. On the second floor you will find a spacious primary bedroom with ensuite full bath. The ensuite bath is like a private retreat. The large walk-in shower will be a treat to start or end the day.